Hello friends, in this video I'll show you to install the Telegram app on a Samsung phone in 2026. Whether you're setting up a new device or installing Telegram for the first time, this step-by-step guide will help you download and install the official app safely from the Google Play Store. First, unlock your Samsung phone and swipe up from the bottom of the screen to open the app drawer. Look for the Google Play Store icon, which is represented by a colorful triangle, and tap it to open. Make sure your phone is connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection so the app can download without interruptions. Once you're inside the Play Store, tap the search bar at the top of the screen. Type Telegram and tap the search or magnifying glass icon on your keyboard. A list of search results will appear. Select the official Telegram app developed by Telegram FZ LLC. You can recognize it by its blue icon featuring a white paper airplane. Choosing the official app helps ensure you're downloading the genuine and secure version. Next, tap the install button. The Play Store will begin downloading and installing Telegram automatically. The download time depends on your internet speed, but it usually only takes a minute or two. During installation, keep your phone connected to the internet. After the installation is complete, the install button will change to open. Tap open to launch Telegram for the first time. You can also find the Telegram icon in your app drawer or on your home screen for future access. When Telegram opens, you'll be asked to enter your mobile phone number. After verifying your number with the SMS verification code, you can create or restore your profile, add your name, and optionally upload a profile picture. You can then start chatting with friends, join groups and channels, make voice and video calls, and securely share photos, videos, and files. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.